Affordable Wings Phantom 315 TWS comes to India. Popular gaming audio and accessory brand Wings has introduced the new Phantom 315 TWS as part of its Phantom series in India. These new earbuds fall under 1000 rupees and provide up to 40 hours of playback time, noise cancellation, and more. Wings Phantom 315 Specs and Features. The Phantom 315 has an in-ear design and comes in a compact oval-shaped charging case. There's support for 13mm high-fidelity composite drivers, which ensures an enhanced audio experience, best suited for music streaming and even gaming. The earbuds have environmental noise cancellation or UNC-supported quad microphones, which cut the disturbing ambient noises and ensure clear calls. You also get a game mode for 40 milliseconds ultra-low latency so that there are reduced lags, especially useful during gaming sessions. There's support for Bluetooth version 5.3, with a 15 meters range, and features like speed sync and open and on, to easily and quickly pair the earbuds up with either an Android or iOS device. You also get to access voice assistants via Google Assistant or Siri. The Phantom 315 comes with a total playback time of 40 hours, up to 30 hours for the charging case and 10 hours for the earbuds. The touch controls help you enter the game mode, change the volume levels, play or pause the songs, and even go forward or backward. Additionally, the Wings Phantom supports both SBC and AAC codecs, USB Type-C charging, and an IPX5 rating for water and sweat resistance. Price and availability. The Wings Phantom 315 retails at 899 rupees and competes with TWS options from Boat, Noise, Firebolt, and more in India. The earbuds will be available to buy via Amazon, Flipkart, and wingslifestyle.in. It comes in green, orange, white, and black colors. So, will you go for the new ultra-affordable TWS? Let us know in the comments below.